Homework tonight, 5-8, solving one-step and two-step addition and subtraction problems. This is when it's critical for your child to actually circle some of those keywords, not just the key numbers, the key words, because it's mixing addition and subtraction now. And if they just say, oh, well, we're on the addition unit, and they just add every number in the equation, or just subtract, because we're in the subtraction unit on topic 5, then you start getting their story problems wrong. Make sure this child starts with their name first. It's always a good start. So there's two different ways. Step 1 and step 2 kind of divides it up for you on the front. Lucy collects 9 rocks. She gives 4 to Sam. So she gets 9 rocks. She gives 4 away to Sam. That's pretty easy, 9 minus 4. Should be able to answer that, get that difference. Then she collects some more rocks. So you get this difference, 9 minus 4, which hopefully you've already written down on your paper, 9 minus 4. Which is 5. You're going to take that 5 down here for the second step. It says she collects 7 more rocks. 5 plus 7 more. How many does she have now? Well, first step is she has 9. She gives away 4. Subtraction. And then she takes that. She has 5 now. And she says, oh, I found 7 more rocks. I'll take these home with me. 5 plus 7. That's an addition fact that we should have under control, or should be working to have under control. It's 12. 4 boys ride their bicycles to the park. 6 more ride their bicycles to the park. So 4. Yep. To the park, 6. These are just addition facts right here. 6 plus 4, 4 plus 6. Give you a minute to fill that in. 2 boys go home, so taking 2 away from this number. So this is the sum. 4 and 6. Which hopefully you've written down 10. So you take this number down and you say, okay, well 10. 2 go home. There's 10 at the park. 2 go home. How many are left? On the back it says Michael put some of the dishes away. Scott put 17 dishes away. They put 32 dishes in all. So we know 32 dishes in all up top. It said that Scott put away 17 dishes. How many did Michael put away? Well, Michael's a big question mark here. Only if you get it done in the next couple minutes. Got to use it this morning for the lesson. Okay. So I have 32 total. 17 were put away by Scott. We got to figure out how many Michael put away at the end of the night after dinner. So how are we going to solve this equation? There's 2 ways: addition and subtraction. So if you're going to do addition, it's going to be 17 with a missing add in algebra. 17 plus some number question mark equals 32. 32 minus 17, which is what the chapter we're on now. So this is missing add-ins from algebra from last chapter. And then you have subtraction here, 32 minus 17. And you can do it up here, 32 minus 17. Since compensation is fresh in my mind from yesterday, let's just do compensation. Here we go. Here we go. Well, plus 3 gets me to the nearest 10. Plus 3 with the other minuend, which gives me 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20, 35 minus 10 is 25 minus 10 is 15. Should be 15. 15 dishes, and guess what? This 15 and this 15. Now, I would have your child check it with the strategies from last unit topic. 17 plus 15 is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. Regroup the 1. 32. Wow, there it is. Ding, 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 ding. Check it with addition, get in that habit. Not a bad review right there. It's a little tricky down in higher order thinking. Hina picked 14 green apples. Her dad picked 8 red apples. Then they ate 2. So they're eating 2. They know they're subtracting that. I'm not crossing it out to get rid of it. I'm just know that that's subtraction. It says how many apples they have now. Explain how you solved. Well, first, I subtracted First I didn't subtract. First I added. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8. Use your fingers. Use a hundreds chart. Use some mental math strategies. 14 plus 8, 22. Then, next, I subtracted 22 minus 2. 22 minus 2 is 20. Except that it says then they each ate 2 apples. So this would be Dad's apple. He ate 2. And Keena with 2. 20. Third step. Next, I subtracted 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. That's Keena's. Now you could have done this in one step if you were a little bit more careful when you read through this. I read it quickly. Then they each ate 2 apples. Well, they each ate 2 apples. That's 2 for Dad, 2 for Keena. It's 4. You could have just cut it out a step and had that, but 18 would be your difference there. Serves me right for using a pen here and quickly going through this homework assignment. Use a pencil. Make sure you read keywords. Last but not least, 3 black cats were in the alley. 5 cats joined them. Let's start there. 3 and 5. Let's step to 1. 3 came to the alley. 5 came to the alley. That was my total. 3 plus 5. Now, 6 cats walked away. I know it's going to be minus 6, and I know I'm going to figure out this difference. So over here is this answer. 3 plus 5 is equal to, hopefully you've already written that down. 3 plus 5. 8. We got 8 minus 6. These are just subtraction and addition and subtraction effects you need to have under control. Should be 2.